Dang it, Sunset turned it off. Alright guys, we're at the spot. It was a good little hike. We got this creek flowing in right here to the main body of the Trinity. We got a little swirl action going right here. I think some big fish are gonna be chilling up in here. Oh, I got a bite already on this one, dude. Already. Oh yeah, we're gonna give him a minute. Let him eat it. I'm pretty sure it's a gar. Oh, he dropped it. It's still on there. Alright, let's chunk this out there again. Here we go. Oh! Come out of his mouth. Slap. Let's do that again. Slap. We're gonna fillet this bad boy up right here. Oh, gotta put my battery in. We'll take it right out. Here we go. We got the fish. Milk and egg. Cornmeal, flour, seasoning. Dip it.
How long is this going to
Dip it. Sling it. Drop it. Oh, don't drop it, you make a mess. Dip it. Ooh. Drop it. Don't actually drop it. Your wife will get mad at you. Shake it. Ah, check it out, boy. Ooh. That's how you know that grease is good. Fry it. Fish drop. Oh! You can put the cover back on if you'd like.